welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are going on with our reads, and the read is from January 24th to the 31st of January, basically for the last week of January. Let's see how the current energies are. This read is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. Let's see your current energies and how your energies are going to change in the next week, or how it's going to be, what's coming in your life in this last week of January. Also, if you want a personal read with me, link is in the description down below. Simply click on the link, you'll be redirected to the website jasminecrystals.in, and you can fill the consultation form there and we shall be in touch with you. Okay, so let's see what comes up for our Aquarians. But before that, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's see how your current energies are going on right now. Okay, current energies of the Aquarians, please. Okay, so basically you are the one here who's full of love, who loves someone in their life, and you feel there's a lot of hope, there's a lot of brightness, there's a lot of happiness coming your way if you get along with this person. And also it is showing that you will be in the current situation. I mean, maybe you're already getting married to this person, or you will get married to this person, so you are just in this feeling of love, and you love this person a lot. And I suppose this person also loves you, because it is on both ends. I don't see it's one-sided, it's on both ends. And yeah, there's a lot of happiness, there's a lot of brightness, there's a lot of new beginning, hopes for you in the current situation. Let's see how your energies will be in the next 1 week, from January 24th to the 31st. Okay. Okay. So probably I do see that this person is not actually what you think. Like, this person is pretending to be very maybe you thought of this person before as that this person is going to be very arrogant, a whole kind of business personalities. This person has like a lot of money and a lot of wealth, so that's why this arrogance is there in this person. But there's nothing like that. This person's quite gentle, quite shy, so you actually got to know about this thing, or maybe you will get to know in this next 1 week. That is what I see here. And this person's gonna be there's somebody who's gonna tell you, who is a very stabilized person, like a father or any elder person, whosoever's in your life right now. Any elder person who knows the person that you're getting married to really well, or that you're in love with really well. So this person is a very stabilizing influence in your life. This person is stabilized themselves too, and they will be telling you that it's not the thing that you are. Maybe you were thinking of this person as very arrogant, as very, and then you would feel what you thought about this person is not really was not really good, and you will go into the whole feeling bad kind of a mode. You'll feel like, why did I say all those things that I shouldn't be saying to anyone? Why did I say all that to this person? So you will be just lying down on the bed at night, and you'll be thinking, I shouldn't have done that, I shouldn't have spoken to this person like that, I shouldn't have said about him like that. So this person is a very even the person you love is a very stabilizing influence in your life. This person is very stabilized, and they are like, they can handle everything pretty well. They are really strong, very bold personality. So let's see what is the overall situation for you. So in the, yeah, you'll be getting all this, you'll be getting to know about all these things during this full moon time. You'll be getting to know about the traits of this person basically. Even if there's I don't see there's any kind of deception involved, but if there is, for some of you, maybe for the 1% of you, if there's any kind of deception involved, if there's any kind of jealousy, any third party situation, you will get to know about this thing also in the next week. So if there's something involved with this person, if there's something this person was not doing right at a particular time, but now they have changed and all, so you will get to know about their past, about their emotions, about the whole thing very well. But you will be a lot you'll be very emotionally imbalanced in the next 1 week. I don't see a very stable energy in you. So that is your read, Aquarians. Let's see what the universe wants to guide you for this next 1 week from 24th to the 31st. Universe, please guide our Aquarians for the next week. Universe, please guide our Aquarians. Oh, okay. Yeah, because this person was actually offering you their cup of love, but maybe that time you had love for someone else and you thought of this person, this person is not right for me, you were not accepting this person, but the universe is guiding you that this is the right person for you. This person, you are solely connected with this person on a soul level. Like you, even though you try hard, you cannot get detached from this person. So just make some plans, whatever your wishes are, your wishes will be granted, so don't worry about that. But you have some kind of a soul connection with this new person who's entering your life. There's definitely this person's definitely a soulmate or a twin flame for you. So yeah, and also just start making up plans for wherever you want to go. You want to go travel or something, just start making all those plans. Okay, so that was the guidance for you, Aquarians. If this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you want a personal read, again, the link is in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.